TikTok's affiliate page can explode your sales. I'll show you exactly how it works in 2025. So here's a product on Amazon. It's a hiccup straw. And then what they did is they gave away a lot of their product for free on TikTok to get affiliates. Now you can see some of the videos to only 12 likes, 56 likes, but some of the videos, 32,000 likes. And getting that much views and likes on TikTok increases your TikTok sales, but a lot of the times it heavily increases your Amazon sales. So both sales spike, you pretty much quadruple your sales, and it's a huge opportunity. So all it is it's really a numbers game. And of course, making sure you get your product to the right audience, right? Another one is 97,000 likes, 118, 480, 8,000. So each one counts. 81,000. So a lot of opportunity. So pretty much what you're going to do is you're going to log into Seller Center, and then you're going to go to affiliate, and now it's going to take you to the affiliate center. And then the first thing you're going to do is go to open collaboration. And now what you're going to do is you're going to create an open collaboration where you give your product away to affiliates. Okay, so this is going to be the first one. And what you're going to do is click free sample. So right now we're going to click edit right here. And now you can offer either refundable samples or free samples. Now, I'd recommend initially to do free samples because nobody knows your product, so they're not going to pay for it. So a refundable sample is the creator has to purchase your product. If they generate a sale, then they get a refund. Free sample is what they said, it's free. So if you do refundable samples, don't be surprised if nobody's accepting it because they don't know your product. You usually do refundable samples once you have a lot of sales, at least on TikTok. And then you want to see how many you want to give away. Do you want to give unlimited, indefinite, terminable, and what SKUs, threshold? You can do all of this stuff. What category, the content creator category, right? So you could be extremely specific. If you don't know what to do, you can just set it up initially like this in the beginning. And then once you see what videos do the best, you can double down on that category. But what you usually want to do is do whatever category you think is going to do the best, and then kind of double down on there. And you click apply to one product, right? So then it's going to say it's running, and you can see that how many creators are already sharing the content. You can view. Now you can do what type of commission you want to do. The higher the commission, the more likely you are to get people who want to roll it. And you can see 14 to 21%. We did 18.5% because we kind of did the commission. And then over time, you can always lower this. But I recommend to do at least 15% initially. Usually 15% is like the average. And now for ads, do you want to have an ads commission rate? So this is if a video goes viral. So if one of your affiliates videos goes viral, let's say this one goes viral right here. This one that has 81,000 likes. What you can do is remarket this video. So you can just keep it exactly the same with the 81,000 likes. You can actually take their video legally, right? And TikTok has this. You just go into your marketing and you can remarket that video. Now, if you remarket that video, what's going to happen is, let's go right back to here, is they're going to get 18.5% commission every single sale. So what you can do is turn on a shop ads commission rate and say, okay, if we run ads, I know you made the video, we're only going to give you 2% commission, right? Or 1% commission. The cost of the commission isn't a part of the ad budget. So this is pretty much, you definitely want to have this on if you're going, and you probably will run ads from your affiliate videos, because the issue is you're going to be paying them 18.5% commission every time they generate a sale, even though you're spending ad dollars to make their video bigger. So keep that in mind. You definitely want to have this on as well. Okay, so that's the first thing. That's how you give away free products, right? Now you want to do targeted collaboration. Open collaboration, people have to find you. Targeted collaboration, you find them. Now, in order to do targeted collaboration, first you're going to do find creators, and you want to find creators specifically in your niche if possible. So let's do creators let's say they have to be in home supplies or home appliances. And you can get as specific as you want. So you can do like super duper duper specific depending on what you think your customer who uses the hiccup straw, right? So you should be able to figure that out. And then what you want to do is anybody, let's see, you can't reach out to unconnected. So we're pretty much already matched our limit. You can only invite so many different people, but what you're going to do is pretty much click add to manage creators. So let's say you want to invite this guy. You can see how many sales he's getting. Let's see, this shows the GMV. So how many sales they generated in the last 30 days, the revenue, how many items she sold. She sold 528 items in the last 30 days. Average video views, she's only getting around 300, and her engagement rate. So again, these are all important. She sold 7,000, not as much, but her engagement rate is 5x the amount of hers. So maybe we could do her. So I wouldn't think too heavily about this first because you want to just practice and see how this goes and get some videos going. Once you get some affiliates that are promoting your product, then you can double down on the analytics and see what works, what doesn't work, who you want to invite. But right now you just want to just practice and see how this works. So give away like maybe 10 units, 20 units, and just see how it works, right? So you're going to add all these to the creator list. Just like this. And you're just going to bookmark them. I'm not going to invite them yet. So you're just going to bookmark the ones. Let's say we bookmark them. I bookmarked like 10. Then you're going to go to targeted collaboration. And then you're going to click invite to collaborate. And you're going to do the invitation name. Valid until, usually you want to give them, you know, how much time you want to give them. So I'm going to give them until the 4th of July to accept it. Your email address, your phone number. Hi, we would love for you to get a free sample of our product, and in return, you make a shoppable video. We want a shoppable video, or do you want a live? It's up to you. You're going to add your product. It's like we have 2 of the same product on here. So I got to look into. I'm just going to add both, and then shop ads commission. Obviously, the shop ads commission, we don't want to do that much, but we want to give them something, and then usually the average is around 15%. And then set up free samples. So you can auto approve it. This one is targeted, so you usually just want to auto approve it. If they want the free sample, you auto approve it. And now you choose creators. So you're going to click add pre-selected creators. That's what we were doing. And then you just invite these creators. So just invite them, click add. I just invited 20. I think I only added 10, but we're going to just see if we can add them all. Okay, 20. And then you're going to click send. So you can only send so many a week. We already hit the limit on how many we can send out. I think you can only send, uses the limit, you can see. But anyway, you click send, and then you'll see if they create it. Now, if they do accept, you're going to go back into your affiliate portal, and you're going to go to sample requests. And you're going to see, let's see, completed. No, let's do all. So you can see how many people requested it. This person has almost 300,000 followers, right? How many people requested it? How many people accepted it, right? So, and then ready to ship, in progress, completed, and we can go to completed. And then we can click view content and see what kind of type of content they made. And you can see that they got 500 views, 5 likes. And again, we can view the video on TikTok that they created. We could attempt to repost it, right? And then we can attempt to run TikTok ads. Again, to run TikTok ads for this affiliate video, if it, let's say it got 500,000 views and 50,000 likes, what we can do again is go to the marketing tab and then remarket that video. It's obviously going to spike sales, right? So it's just about getting into the right people. And then what we can do is look at all of the analytics down here. Let's go to product analytics or collaboration. And then you can look at different analytics and look at the analytics of each video and just try to see, okay, which videos actually created orders, what videos didn't create orders, and then trying to double down so we can kind of see again. And then you can switch up the analytics to see what works and what doesn't work. Again, initially, it's just about testing the affiliate program so you understand it. Then you're going to dial it in and then double down on that. And pretty much it's usually about preparing towards the holiday season. Now we can see the video information, and then they rank who did the best. And then let's see how they rank it. If we can do more metrics. Right now it's showing all the metrics. And then we can base it on how many people sold. So that's pretty much like the gist. So I showed you how to do open collaboration. I showed you how to do target collaboration. And that's kind of the gist. After you do that, then you're going to simply do more targeted collaboration. And then you really want to see specifically who you want to invite. So find the creators, and you really need to match up with the creators that you really think are going to promote your product the best. After you invite a lot of different creators, you're going to find like one set niche creator. So if you look at Hickaways, you can see that sometimes it's a lot of women that are promoting the product. Not only women, there are men too, but a lot of women is their main target. So they want to see, okay, are the women getting a bigger ROI, or are the men getting a big ROI when they're promoting this product? And how old are they? Are they a wife? Do they have kids? Do they have a husband? Things like that. So you can see who the best target market is, and then specifically target them to increase your sales, right? So a lot I've learned in today's video. That's it. Also, if you did want to have a TikTok course, I do have on our website in the description, you can access our courses, and we actually show you every single step on how to connect your Amazon account to your TikTok account. And then pretty much when you get a TikTok sale, then Amazon will ship the product to the customer. Also, how one of our clients made over $1 million using TikTok. One of them made over 8 million. And then one of them makes over $100,000 a month using TikTok. Even how I started generating sales using TikTok myself, right? But if you want more TikTok videos, let me know what to cover next in the comments. If you learned something new, drop a like. And if you are a TikTok seller, I highly recommend subscribing to our channel, because we're giving you great content that's going to help you in your TikTok journey. And of course, if you need help with increasing sales, anything mentioned in this video, or just help selling on TikTok, contact EHP Consulting Group. The link is right in the description to contact us or schedule a call. Also, one of our most popular services is our full TikTok management service. This is where we're going to help you with your marketing, your affiliate giveaways, your customer service, managing your listings, optimizing your quality score, and much, much more. So you can start expanding your TikTok presence while we're the ones doing the daily operations. I'm Josh Hackett, CEO of EHP Consulting Group, and I'm signing out.